Hey, you're watching Half Sip the Lockpicking Welder. Today's episode's going to be a special one. Got a package here from AJ Clark. This is from his 100 sub giveaway. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I've been super anxious to get this. I'm really excited to get it open. It's been sitting here for a little while and I've been just staring at it like, oh my god, I got to get this thing open. It's quite a bit heavier than I expected, so I'm expecting a little surprise in here maybe. Anyway, let's get this thing open and see what kind of goodies we've got. So first things first, let me just get everything out of here. Actually, no, I'm going to pull the box away a little bit. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. And I think it's taped to the inside. So hold on, I'm going to go off camera for a second. Wow, that's quite the bag of goodies there. Geez, anything else in here? No? Yes? There is one more thing in here. Oh yeah. Okay. So, what do we got? Let's start with the, from the giveaway. So we've got here the goat wrench. I'll say it right this time. I kept calling my gut wrench the goat wrench and realized that I'm being totally stupid with that. So this is the Sparrow's tubular lockpick. This was, I guess, co-designed with the Lock Noob. He designed some really amazing stuff. I'm super excited for this. I've got one tubular lock right here. I've gotten this open using some very interesting tensioning methods, so it's going to be a lot more fun now that I have a proper tensioning tool for that. So that's awesome. And then this guy right here, this is awesome. Look at this nice case that this comes in. So this is the Sparrow's Black Flag set. They're dimple picks. So let's crack this thing open. Nice packaging. Comes in a really nice case. I mean, wow, check this thing out. So it's hard plastic case. On the left side here we've got all the tension tools. So there's just a whole bunch of different Z-bars in, geez, all different kinds of thicknesses and widths. So that's amazing for like everything you can imagine. See, there's just all different kinds. There's even some that have like little angled cuts on them for different keyways. This is awesome. Oh, this is gonna get so much use. Now I need even more dimple locks. I've got a bunch. Love the dimple locks. Need more. So now for part 2. Oh wow, I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Look at these things. Wow, these are gorgeous. Oops. So here is the flat flag. They're really nicely finished as well. Really nice size on the flag. It's not too big. Beautiful. So the Keyway logo on this one is actually facing up. I wonder if they, if this is like another run where they made it so that they all face up. That one's facing up as well. I've seen other reviews on this where their little Sparrow's logo wasn't always facing the same way as the flag was facing. So, you know, it wasn't super useful. But if they're all facing, you can use that to so you don't get lost in there. Sometimes it happens to me all the time. I'm in a lock and I think, you know, my flag is one way, but really it's completely the opposite way. You end up just getting totally lost in there. It's fun. Dimple locks are super fun. These are amazing. Wow, this is gonna be great. These are super comfy. Super excited. Wow, awesome. And then there's a bunch of other ones here. So if I remember correctly, we've got the flat flag, and there. What is this one? This is looks like kind of a shallow left flag, I think, picking on the left side of the lock. And then we've got, so maybe that's a medium or shallow. This is the right flag. They're really nice. Doesn't look like really any work needs to be done to these, which is a huge plus, because a lot of the other ones, or not a lot of the other ones, but the The Honest Dong Shi ones that I got needed just a ton of work. Okay, so this is the low flag. This is the right low flag. I guess I could be saying that completely backwards, but I think it's the side that you pick it on. So these look beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to try these out. This is gonna be a whole new game now, picking dimple locks. So they better watch out. Alright, that's freaking awesome. We'll definitely see those in a lot more videos coming up. Now, let me just put this aside here for a second. Let's get into this goodie bag. Holy shit. I was thinking maybe a lock. I know we'd mentioned, or AJ had mentioned, sending a lock, but this is a lot of locks. Oh, this is awesome. Fortress discus lock. I don't have any discus locks. I think they look amazing. The mechanism is really cool as well. It doesn't just snap open like a padlock. As you're turning it, the shackle opens. That's very cool. This is going to be lots of fun. That's awesome. It looks really nice. I don't know. There's just something about these. To me, they look beautiful. What do we got here? A challenge lock. AJ 111019 HQ lock. Let's take a look at this bad boy. This is a nice looking lock. Heavy. Really nice. Oh, nice. Okay. Etched in the back. I need to do that, but I broke my Dremel, so that's making things more interesting. Here's the key. Looks nice. Oh, that's smooth. That's very smooth. Not like mine. Mine are sketchy. I'll put that there. This is amazing. Oh, what do we got here? K1. K1 locks, eh? I've seen a lot of people open K1 locks, and they seem to be pretty good. Be the lock. Awesome. Okay. This is a cool looking lock as well. Oh, and it's got grub screws in the top. That's nice. Oh, that. Okay. she's a crunchy one. That'll be really interesting. Look at this thing. Look at this. What is this? This is great. It's got some googly eyes on the key. It looks to be blind. There used to be eyes on it. This is a cool looking lock as well. It's the name she's hidden under there, but this key looks familiar. Does this look like a Dexter? Something like that. Oh, 6 pins. Nice looking. Oh, I'm gonna be quite busy. That's awesome. That's super cute. What else do we got here? Oh, we have a mummified key. That's always scary. I'm making a mess here. Let me keep things a little bit neater at least. Alright. Charles builds crap. I'm assuming. Could be totally wrong, but I'm just gonna take a wild guess. Yes, Charles builds crap. Number 4. Captain Spaulding. 102519 with the mummified key. So I can only imagine what's going to be under here. This is a quick set, if I'm not mistaken. And here we are with the lock itself. Charles builds crap 4. Looks nice. Not going to try that. So that's good. It'll be a nice surprise. We'll see how much swearing it takes to get me to pop the key open before I get the lock open. That is incredible. Such an awesome surprise. That's really great. Thank you so much, AJ. Let me just get everything back out here again. We got Oh, we got locks for days. Challenge locks for days. This is beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to get that open. And then kind of the star of the show. Although I think this discus lock is in contention for being the star of the show. These, oh my god. I'm probably going to end up making a video right after this using these, because this is just, I've been so excited to get these. Amazing. And these tension bars, so cool. And this one, oh my god, too many things. Thank you so much, AJ, again, awesome. Again, congratulations so much on the 100 subs, and now, you know, over 100 subs. Definitely well deserved. You put out some great content, really good stuff. I always enjoy watching your videos, so thanks again to everyone for watching the video. I hope you all enjoyed, and stay tuned for some of these things to be opened and used. So thanks again, guys. Take care.